my kitchen, yeah, I got the recipe. Finger licking, collard greens and they drippin'. This calamari soup is tasting exquisite. These rappers want beef, but I'm vegan for dinner. Step in my kitchen, yeah, I got the recipe. Chef, boy, all hood and I'm cooking shit. Egg beater straight to pop when I'm whipping it. Studio crazy, know that I'm cooking hits. In the studio, the hits come unlimited. Teddy Wack rappers come do my dishes. They lying on their songs and I don't be feeling it. They want the old hood back, that the realest shit. Straight out the jungle, I'm on my gorilla shit. Drop a beat, in the beat, I'ma kill the shit.